Hello everybody, my name is Elkioni, my last name is Guaman Perez. I study in Universidad Privada del Norte High School. I'm 12 years old. Mi favorite subject is Physics Biology. One of my hobbies is listening to music. I'm really listening to music. I my three time. My is watching movies. I want thanking this course because I like is learning English and wants to improve my English skills. I think English is important for my studies and my future careers. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.